road to excellence. Okay. So before going to come to the design part, okay. So we have to understand about the traffic pattern, traffic analysis. Okay. So suppose you are going to plan any highway, right? Or you are working in a highway sector. So first of all, you need to understand the traffic pattern, traffic data, okay, movement of the traffic, okay, characteristic of the traffic, type of the traffic, all kind of traffic you need to understand. Okay, then after you can do the design properly. Either you, if you are working in a highway sector, if you are working in a pavement design sector, it doesn't matter if you are working in a civil thread or geometry design section, okay, section, it doesn't matter. The matter is to understand the basic, okay, backbone of the highway, and the backbone of the highway is traffic data. Okay, so right now we are going to start with the traffic. Census data, you can say it help in the planning, okay, designing, development, operation, and maintenance of the road infrastructure. Got it? It also help you to classification of the corridor, okay, like a 2 lane, either you are going for the 2 lane, 4 lane, 6 lane. So decision of lane during the design phase, okay, the just mute your mic, please. So during the design, okay, you need to, okay, reclassify the corridor based on the traffic census data only. So your pavement thickness, okay, layer thickness decision, okay, it can be taken by the, okay, traffic data only. So how we will understand how we will do the traffic survey? There are two ways to do the traffic. Okay, traffic census. One is a manual counts. Another one is a automatic count. Okay, so we will not go to the deep. Okay, in the deep of the traffic census, how we will do procedure will be the different. Okay, so we will see the result of the traffic census. Got it? We will see the result of the traffic census. This is a traffic census. You can see here. So as per the IRC guideline, if you see this guideline, that for the traffic census of a non-urban road or like a national highway or any other important kind of the road, IRC 9, okay, this is the latest code you have to follow. Apart from this code, you can also follow IRC 64, okay, this is for the rural area, and IRC 106, this is for the traffic pattern for the urban area. Got it? This all kind of, okay, IRC code I will share in the group after this session. Got it? So you need to understand just how many days you have to do the traffic survey data. Okay. And what will be the frequency of the traffic survey? Suppose this is a corridor, suppose 20-kilometer section, 50-kilometer section, it doesn't matter. Okay. The matter is you have to classify as per the IRC, you have to classify in the different zone as per the traffic pattern, as per the traffic movement. Okay. Suppose up to the 50-kilometer length. Okay. Minimum traffic census you have to conduct at 2 locations. Suppose this is A, this is B. So minimum 2 point you have to do the traffic survey up to the 50-kilometer road. Okay. For the greater than 50-kilometer road, minimum 3 count you have to take for the analysis of pavement and geometric design purpose or a corridor classifications. Got it? So basically 7 days, okay, 7 days, 24-hour, we have to conduct a traffic survey in any particular time or any particular duration in a year. Okay, so it is not possible to conduct a traffic survey throughout the year 365 days because analysis, recording and all thing, it is difficult in that case. So you have to take basic nature of the traffic, just a basic number of the traffic, okay, by taking the 7 days. Okay, 7 days, 24 hours. So 24 into 7, if you have done, it is sufficient for the any corridor. So, sir, one more question you have to ask, sir, how many times I have to do the traffic survey? Suppose I got the tender, suppose I got this road for the design purpose. Okay, how many times we have to? Suppose you are working in a DPR field, right? Suppose you are preparing a DPR, or suppose you are working a road design in a planning stage. In that case, minimum 2 times you have to conduct a traffic survey. This is as per the IRC, this IRC 9. Okay, how many time minimum you are going to do? It doesn't matter what is the standard parameters. Yeah, okay, you have to do. So if you are working for the DPR project, if you are working in a planning stage, if you are working in okay cost estimation stage, okay, so in that case, 2 time traffic survey you have to do before submitting the detailed project report. So first time during the feasibility, or inception, got it? During the feasibility or inception stage, and second time before submitting the draft DPR or before submitting the detailed design of your road. The next thing is, suppose you are going to do for the contractor, okay, suppose you are going to design in a EPC mode, in a contractor mode, okay, in a construction mode, okay, in that case, one time traffic survey, if you have done, it is sufficient for the design purpose. Got it? Is it clear? Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So during the planning stage, if you are working on a road or a design on a road for the planning stage, in that case, 2 times you have to do the traffic survey during the feasibility or during the inception stage. Okay. And the second one before submitting the detailed design or before submitting the draft DPR. Second day, third day, okay, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, this is 7th day. Okay. So all 7 day data you have to collect. You can see here different kind of car, four-wheeler, auto rickshaw, okay, four-wheeler, okay, mini truck, mini bus, 2 axle truck, multi-axle truck, two-wheeler, okay, or a motorcycle, tractor, okay, and this is the summation of total fast traffic. Cycle, rickshaw, thela, it will come under the slow vehicles. So you have to collect all kind of traffic. You can see this is the count hour. This is 24 hours, 6 to 6 a.m. next time, okay? 6 to 7, 1 hour, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. So for each hour, you can see for the up traffic and down traffic. Okay, up direction, in a down direction, you can see here. And this is a summation of whole day 24-hour traffic for this particular day. 16th of March to 17th of March, 6 a.m. Okay, so you can see this is the total up traffic of four-wheeler, total down traffic 584. Okay, towards the down direction. Similarly for the auto rickshaw, similarly for okay, just you will get all these things. Okay, by day, 17 to 18, 19 to okay. You can see from the how we will represent traffic summary. Okay, 6 a.m. 18 March to 2021 and 19th March. Okay, you can see point, district, state, you have to mention from A to B locations. Okay, you have to mention here. Okay, so this is the daily traffic. You can see 7 days traffic you have collected. Okay, after that you have to summarize all 7 day traffic into one sheet. See, weekly traffic summary. 16th of March to, okay, this is 7 days, 22nd of the March. Okay, you can see here. Same thing, 16 to 17, total up and down traffic. I have added this up and down traffic of a four-wheeler, car, jeep, one taxi, four-wheeler, auto rickshaw, three-wheeler. I have just added up and down traffic both. You can do up and down separately also. Suppose a huge difference between the up and down traffic. So in that case, you have to design the up lane and down lane separately. Is it clear? So this is just a 7 days traffic I have represented. Okay, you can see total traffic. Okay, 7 days traffic 10,862. So right now we need to design on the basis of average daily traffic. Just ADT, average daily traffic. ADT, average daily traffic. Okay, so if you divide the 7 days traffic by 7, you will get a average daily traffic. Similarly, for this average daily traffic, see in the formula you can see, okay, divided by 7, you will get the average daily traffic. Average daily traffic for this bus, for truck, for 2XL, 3XL, all kind of vehicles you need to, okay, get a average daily traffic. But you know our design will be based on the average annual daily traffic, based on the yearly traffic. Got it? But it is not possible to conduct the traffic survey throughout the year. So in that case, what we will do? In that case, we need to find the fuel consumptions. Okay, we need to find the traffic pattern. We need to find the total traffic movement throughout the year. We need to understand the more traffic. Suppose in a March month, a particular in a March month, suppose due to the fair, due to the trucker strike, due to the any reason, okay, suppose 2 month in a year, suppose huge traffic difference from the 10 month. Okay, so suppose in a 2 month, the traffic it is coming like a 2500 for the car, but rest of 10 month it is coming a 1000. So that's why we need to find the traffic pattern, travel traffic throughout the year. So how we will calculate without doing the conducting the traffic survey? So for that, IRC recommend us to find the seasonal correction factor, to find the seasonal correction factor, to find the seasonal variation of the traffic due to any reason, don't matter. Okay, so just we have to collect a fuel sales data near about the fuel stations like petrol pump and like along the project corridor. So suppose petrol driven vehicle, diesel driven vehicle, okay, so you have petrol driven or diesel driven vehicles. Okay, so in that case you can see here. Okay, so just see for the particular July month, okay, for this August month, this data has been taken for the NH 143 AG, Lohardaga to Tamar, okay, you can see 150-kilometer stretch. So July, August, September, you can see month-wise, okay, fuel sales data I have collected for petrol, diesel separately, see here, for 12 months. So you can identify in which month fuel consumption is more. See here. So in a particular month, you can see in October it is higher than the normal. Got it? So that's why we are finding the factors. Suppose you have done a traffic survey in October month, but the actual traffic it is coming like less than the October month. So we have to multiply a factor on the basis of the suppose this is a higher one, so we have to multiply this factor, reduction factor, to control, to manage, or to match with the other month traffic also. So you can see here, this is total petrol consumption in July month, okay, diesel consumption in July month, okay, so total this is one. So how we will find this correction factor? See here. So 2440, it is consumption of petrol in July month, and total average, just this is the 12 month average I have find